that your favorite show, Kitty? Who's on there? Is that your friend?
Whatever it is, it's a very attractive name and a very attractive cat. She is already studying. She has a terrific coat. Brown tabby with white.
You like that kitty, buddy?
She loves being loved, which is very high on my list of positive cat qualities. And
go get him.
I think she gets along with just about everybody.
Hey, you want to see? Is that the funniest thing ever, honey? You want to get closer? Come here.
Very, very good possibility for a family.
There you go, buddy. That's your friend.
And very pretty green eyes. Yes. What a sweet girl.
That's the funniest thing you ever saw. I love that show. What's the matter, bud? You don't want to watch your show anymore? Oh.